Hey kids, welcome to Visual Kids Fun. Today we learn alphabets. Let's write all capital letters. First one is A. A for apple. And B. B for ball. C. C for cat. And the next one is D. D for dog. Wow, very nice. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for horse. First line completed. Now next line. I. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. L for lamp. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. And the next one is P. P for parrot. P for peacock. Second line is completed. So now third line. Q. Q for queen. R. R for robot. S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watch. X. X for xylophone. Third line also completed. So now Y and Z. Y. Y for yogurt and Z. Z for zebra. And now this time one by one alphabet coloring. The all alphabets is coloring completed. And now by one read. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Hey kids, if you like this video, please like and subscribe.